Hi, I'm Nick, and today we're working on a 700 series seat top, and we'll be changing the backrest adjustment lever and the adapter plate. We'll start out by removing our side cover. This will get us down to the adapter plate. It's easiest if we bring the backrest and lean that forward. I really recommend using a clamp on this. You can go on the inside of the backrest and just to put a little tension on here so that when you take it apart things don't move and shift. You'll need a T30 to get these screws out. Then you get down to the actual lever itself. Now if you don't use a clamp, you may find that these don't align with the seat pan when you get it apart, and that's key that these are all in alignment through here. This is a good reason why we're using the clamp. Now you'll have your kit with your new parts. If you have an armrest, it's important to put this screw in first before you get going. It drops in on the back side of the adapter plate. And your lever should line up. Everything should line up good. If you have a clamp on there, lever will sit right here down by this bump out on the seat pan. It's important to torque these to 12 Newton meters. Then you can remove your clamp at that point. I find it a little easier to put the side cover on before I put the plastic piece back on. And for more information, find our website at usa.grammer.com.